On this video, I am going to share with you reviewers in licensure examination for teachers. I will teach one topic in general mathematics that usually appear in any professional examination like in LET. And this topic is about fraction. Let us recall the rules on operating fractions. First are the rules in adding and subtracting similar fractions. If we say similar fractions, these are the fractions that have the same denominators, like 1/2, 3/2, 5/2. They are called similar fractions because they have the same denominators. And when we are going to add or subtract similar fractions, we are just going to add or subtract the numerators and then let us copy the denominator. Like the rule that is being presented here. If we have A over C plus or minus B over C, that is equal to A plus or minus B all over C. So this is the rule for adding or subtracting similar fractions. Now, what if the given fractions are not similar? What if they are dissimilar? Meaning, they have different denominators. So, the rule is A over B plus or minus C over D equals A times D plus or minus B times C all over BD. And in multiplication of fractions, if we have A over B times C over D, we are just going to multiply the numerators and then we are going also to multiply the denominators. So we have A times C all over B times D. And in the division of fractions, if we have A over B divided by C over D, we are going to get the reciprocal of the divisor and then let us proceed to multiplication. The divisor here is C over D and its reciprocal is D over C. So, kapag nakuha na natin yung kanyang reciprocal, magpo-proceed na tayo sa multiplication. So, gagayahin natin yung rule sa multiplication of fractions. We are going to multiply the numerators and then we are going also to multiply the denominators. So, we have A times B all over B times C. These are the rules for operating fractions. Now, let us proceed with our test questions. Let us choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1, 7/4 divided by 3/5 is equal to 35 over 12, 33 over 12, 37 over 12, 27 over 12, 29 over 12. So since the operation is division, meaning we are going to get the reciprocal of the divisor and then let us proceed to multiplication. So we have 7/4 divided by 3/5 that is equal to 7/4 times the reciprocal of the divisor which is 3/5 is 5 over 3. Now, let us multiply 7/4 and 5 over 3. So, 7 times 5 is 35 and 4 times 3 is 12. So, make sure that our final answer is in simplest form. So, since 35 over 12 is in simplest form, then this is our final answer. So, the quotient is 35 over 12. Question number 2. 1/4 plus 3/10 minus 2/5 is equal to A. 9 over 10, B. 3 over 10, C. 2 over 20, D. 3 over 20, E. 29 over 20. The answer is letter D, 3 over 20. So, papaano po nakuha iyan? Ipakita po natin ang solution. So, 1/4 plus 3/10 minus 2/5, that is equal to 5 plus 6 minus 8 all over 20. Ngayon, ang tanong, papaano po nakuha yung 20 doon? Yung 20 po dyan, that is the least common multiple of 4, 10, and 5. Kapag sinabi po nating least common multiple, ito po yung pinakamaliit na number na pwedeng i-divide nitong tatlong numbers na 4, 10, and 5. So, 20 is the least common multiple of 4, 10, and 5. At papaano naman po nakuha yung 5, 6, at 8 sa taas? So, yan po ay nakuha by dividing the least common multiple by the 3 denominators. So, 20 divided by 4, that is 5, times 1, that is 5, kaya nakuha yung 5. Next, 20 divided by 10, that is 2, times 3, that is 6. Kaya, nakuha po yung 6. Next, 20 divided by 5, that is 4. And 4 times 2, that is 8. Kaya po, nakuha yung 8. So, 5 plus 6, that is 11, minus 8, that is 3. So, we have 3 over 20. Question number 3. What is 3/4 of 80? A. 30, B. 60, C. 20, D. 25, E. 34. What do you think is the answer? If you answer letter B, then you are correct because 60 is the 3/4 of 80. So, papaano po natin nakuha yung sagot na 60? We are just going to multiply 3/4 by 80. And in multiplying fractions, we are going to multiply the numerators and then multiply also the denominators. The denominators of any whole number is 1. So, 80 all over 1. Kaya, 3 times 80, that is 240. And then, 4 times 1, that is 4. So, 240 divided by 4, that is equal to 60. Question number 4. One of the following is not a correct expression for the difference of 3 and 1/2 and 2 and 1/2. Which one is it? A. 1 plus 2 all over 2 plus 2. B. 4 times 2 times 1/8. C. 7 over 2 minus 5 over 2. D. 2 over 2. Ang hinahanap ay one expression that is not equal to the difference of 3 and 1/2 and 2 and 1/2. So, kailangan muna nating kunin yung difference ng two given numbers. So, 3 and 1/2 minus 2 and 1/2, that is equal to 1. Because, if we are going to write 3 and 1/2 and 2 and 1/2 to its equivalent improper fractions, we have 7 over 2 and 5 over 2. So, they are similar fractions because they have the same denominators. So, 7 minus 5, that is 2. And then, let us copy the denominator, which is 2. So, 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Or, kapag titignan natin yung given, pwede na nating pag-minusin agad-agad eh. Because 1/2 minus 1/2 is 0. So, ang natira ay yung sa whole number. 3 minus 2, that is 1. Ngayon, doon tayo sa options. Asan dito ang hindi equivalent sa 1? Unahin natin sa letter D. 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. 7 over 2 minus 5 over 2, that is equal to 1. 4 times 2, that is 8. times 1 over 8, that is 1. How about letter A? 1 plus 2, that is 3. All over 2 plus 2, that is 4. Meaning, letter A is the expression that is not equal to the difference of the two given numbers. Let us have our last question. Miles had 24 kilos of dried mangoes to put into the plastic bags. She put 3/4 kilo in each bag. How many bags of dried mangoes would the 24 kilos make? A. 18, B. 28, C. 38, D. 32, E. 30. If we are going to analyze the questions, we will do division of fractions. We will divide 24 kilos by 3/4 kilo. So, we have here the solution. 24 divided by 3/4. In dividing fractions, we will get the reciprocal of the divisor, which is 3/4. And its reciprocal is 4 over 3. After getting its reciprocal, the operation will become multiplication. So we have 24 times 4 over 3. So 24 times 4, that is 96. The denominator of any whole number is equal to 1. So the denominator of 24 is 1. Kaya 1 times 3, that is 3. Now, let us divide 96 divided by 3, and that is 32. So, the final answer is letter D, 32. At iyan po ang aking video sa ngayon. Thank you so much po for watching. And if this is your first time to visit my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Abangan nyo po ang ilan ko pang vlogs about let reviewers. Thank you po!